Hi guys, so this is the app to use for your WhatsApp autoresponder. Though there are many of these apps in App Store or Play Store, whichever one, but I choose to use this one because this particular one give you access to use some of the features free without any payment. So I choose this WhatsApp Auto. So if you want to use this particular one, you just go to your Play Store, then have it installed on your phone. Just type the letter the way it is appearing here, then look at the logo also so that you know which one to actually install. So upon installation, you click on open, then it take you inside the app. Now once you get inside the app, the first thing it will ask you to do is to connect the app to your Gmail rather, to connect the app to your Gmail. I've already connected mine. So if I should click on this now, you see that's my Gmail, one of my Gmail accounts that I use for this particular one. Then after doing that, the next thing you do is click on this arrow on top here in the middle on your right hand side to input which phone number you want to use. Maybe you have 2 or 3 WhatsApp on your phone. You put the phone number here. Which one of them are you going to use? And there is already Nigerian code here, +234. So if upon installing it doesn't appear to be Nigerian code, you have to change it to Nigeria code +234. Then you put the phone number you want to use without the first 0. So mine is 90 70 80 11 58. Then when you put the phone number that you want to use, you choose which of the WhatsApp to use. So I'm using this one, which is the business WhatsApp. That's the one I choose to use. So after that, you go back and you go back and work on 1 or 2 of these templates. So I'm just going to walk you around. By the time you start playing with it, you understand it fully. Let me just show you how to do 1 or 2 things. Now if you want to set your auto message, by auto message I mean even if you are not with your phone and somebody sent one of the customized message to you, you'll be able to reply the person while the phone is not with you. So how does that work? You click on the custom reply box, one of the templates on your right side. When you click on it, what happens is, you'll be able to set some messages. I've already done some, but I'll show you how it works. For instance, now this is a customized message, the one you saw when you click on my WhatsApp link. Hi David, I'm interested in your free class on how to sell effectively using the internet. Please kindly add me to your free masterclass. Then you get this message, this reply immediately. Hi, good day. Having you here is my delight. My name is David AS. I'm an internet marketing consultant, and I'll be happy to impart some of my knowledge onto you for free. You like that, right? Kindly save my number with David. Reply me with done. and you will be added to the class. Now, how did I come up with this? You actually look at this. When you look at your screen, you see that plus sign. Just click on that plus sign. Then you see type incoming call message below, then type your reply. So the next column where you are seeing incoming keyword, that is where you type your customized message, and the one below it, which is the reply, that is where you type the reply as well. So let's type something here. Let me just copy one of the messages I've saved there, the one you saw when you click on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to paste it here as my customized incoming message. You see it up there. Hi David, I'm interested in your free class. That's the message. So while the person click and sends you that message, you also want to have a customized reply for the person. So let me go and copy the reply I have for the person. You may need to watch this video 2 to 3 times for you to grab the old gist. Then you also master it by practicing and playing around with the app and the template. So here comes the reply. I paste my reply. Now this is how it appears in my WhatsApp. This is like the back end of the WhatsApp now. Now this is how it appears in the WhatsApp. This is the incoming message, while this is the reply the person gets. Now I ask the person to write done. Then when the person writes done, the person will be added. Now if the person should write done, what would the person see as reply? Before then, let's save this. Look at that mark sign up there on your right hand side. You click on it, you save that. Then having saved that, you still click on that plus sign again to go and type another customized message, which is done, and what the person will see as reply. So under the incoming call, now since I've asked the person to write done, you write done here. Then you also write the customized reply to the person, which could be okay, you will be added shortly. Okay, now before you save this, let me quickly call your attention to something. When you scroll up, you see exact match, and you also see contains. Always make sure to click on the contains, because if you leave it on exact match, it means the person have to write the exact words that you wrote. Like if this done is in capital letter and the person wrote small letter, the person might not get the reply. But if you put contains, even if the person just wrote maybe done, but the person does not write it completely, the person will still get the correct reply. I hope you understand. So you always leave it on contain. So as it is there, you still click on this mark sign to save it. Good. So this is how it works now. You see the done, you see the reply, okay, you'll be added shortly. But let me show you something, how to know if this works. Okay, so you go back and use one of that templates to confirm if what you're actually doing works. So look at this test reply on your right side. You click on the test reply, test your auto reply message with this simulation tool. So you click on it, then it says you can test your auto reply by sending a message to this chat. So let's see which message to send and see if we are going to get the reply to confirm if what we are doing actually works. So I'm coming down here to copy the same message and putting it here. If I should paste it here and hit the send, it must give me the reply if it is working. So this is how the message actually appears when the person click my DM. So it is the person's responsibility now to click on send. So when the person send, boom. Okay, I've not turned on the auto reply. So let me go and turn on. I will have to do that again. So how do we turn on? You come to your home, you see auto reply off, so you turn on. So it is on already now. So let's go back and do it again. Test reply. So we click here, then we put the message here, then you click on send. Boom, the person get the reply immediately. Now let's say the person now writes done. Let's see what reply the person will get. Done and send. And send. The person write done and send. The person get the reply immediately. So this is how it works. That means what we are doing or what we have done so far is actually working. But situation where you discover it is not working, what do? You see menu, you see home, you see contact, you see statistics. All of these are options you can explore. But if it is not working, you now come here and click on these three dots. Then you see the first option there, not working. You click on the not working. As you click on it, your what auto assistance will ask you some questions. It says, I will help you fix your auto reply issue. Please answer the questions below. Do you receive a notification for every incoming message from your messaging app with a reply button like the one below? If your answer is yes, you click on yes. If it is no, you click on no. Then it will keep asking you different questions just to make sure the app works for you. So you follow the questions and give it the right answer to troubleshoot the app and make it work perfectly for you. So that's how it works. And on home, that's where you turn your auto reply on or off. Then on contact, if you want everyone that send message to you to reply the message, you leave it at everyone. If you want only your contact, leave it at your contact. Your contact, everyone except your contacts, except your phone contacts, whichever one you want. But I leave my own at everyone. Then if you want to know what each of these entails, you click on the I sign in circle. That's I in circle. You click on it. It will show you what each of these options actually mean. And statistics, it's what you have worked on so far. So far so good. That's how far we can go from here. By the time you start working around it, you can play with other templates and see what you can actually get from there. So thank you guys, appreciate you for listening, and see you at the top. Bye.